Okay, here we go. Hello, everybody. It's me, Bobby D. Welcome to a special edition, Lakeside Raceway. It's Wednesday night, and I need to do this now so that you guys can get ready. Now, In Search of Speed diecast has helped me to get over 500 subs. Yesterday, he sent me a message that he was going to make it his mission, and as of right now, he's put me over 503. So 500 subs, I said I was going to do my Grand Prix race, and here we are. So I'd like you guys to sponsor a car. Just pick a number. Each car's got a number on it. I'll show the car. We'll weigh it, and in the comments you can tell me which car you would like to drive. If you are really driving this silly car down a quarter-mile drag strip, which these cars are definitely not designed. I mean, none of them are real heavy, but some are real good rollers, and there's some that few people have seen. So let's look at the first one. First one is Valvoline number 3. Johnny Lightning. Valvoline number 3 weighs 3838. Bobby Unser number 48. Johnny Lightning weighs 3682. And nope, that's not it. Bobby Unser, yep. Where's the Al Unser? Number 2. Yeah, here it is, number 2. Al Unser, yeah. Brent's freaking out. Sorry. Okay, so Johnny Lightning, he weighs 38.9. He's a little heavier. Number 5 is Gould. Here's number 5. Car number 6. No hairs. All cars got graphite, and Johnny's got squirts. Okay, so that's the end of Johnny's. Penske number 5. Hot Wheels, 3054. Pretty light, but I like how they put drivers in the cars. Okay, Indy Flames is next. Hot Wheels Indy Flames weighs 4478. Oh, he's the heaviest one yet. Let's see, Flames Sun number 6. What happened to number 14? We'll go back here. AJ Foyt, number 14. 1977 IndyCar. 3068. Lightweight of the Johnnies. Okay. Sun number 6. It's Thunderstreaker, whatever this thing is. China, very purple. 3425. Blue Gulf is next. Number 33 weighs 30.1. Hot Wheels Pro Racing, number 8, Shell. 3853. Ralph's, number 21. 38.9. The Honda comes from LCI, number 31. Hey, stop that. Couple more. 2 more. Orange Golf. 3588. Orange Golf doesn't have a number. Man, these hairs are freaking everywhere. Red Edition. Indy Oval Red Edition. No number. Red Edition. So, let me know in the comments which one you like. I'm sure we'd appreciate it. We'll race on Saturday night. See you then. Good night.